Criminal AI isn't some distant sci-fi threat anymore. It's already costing businesses over $10 billion annually through deepfakes, voice cloning, and automated cyber attacks. And that number is growing exponentially.
That's a staggering figure. And what's really concerning is how these AI-powered crimes are becoming more sophisticated every day. Welcome to Technically You, the podcast that makes sense of the tech world's biggest developments.
Well, let's break this criminal AI down because what we're seeing is essentially a complete transformation of cybercrime. These aren't just random hackers anymore. We're talking about organized criminal enterprises using AI as a service.
You know what really caught my attention recently? A case where criminals used AI to simultaneously impersonate an entire C-suite during a series of video calls.
Mm-hmm. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. These criminal AI systems are using something called GANs, generative adversarial networks, to create deepfakes so convincing that even forensic experts have trouble spotting them.
So how exactly are these systems managing to fool even trained professionals?
Well, it's fascinating actually. These AI models analyze thousands of data points in every frame of video, from facial movements to lighting patterns. For voice cloning, they're using tools like Tacotron 2 that can capture everything from speech patterns to breathing rhythms.
That's exactly why these scams are so effective. They're not just mimicking appearances, they're replicating human behavior patterns.
And here's what's really keeping security experts up at night. These criminal AI systems can now learn and adapt in real time. They analyze responses, adjust their strategies, and even maintain consistent personalities across multiple interactions.
Like a digital method actor that never breaks character.
Hmm, that's an interesting way to put it. And what's particularly alarming is how these systems are being packaged and sold. We're seeing criminal AI as a service platforms that offer everything from automated phishing to deepfake creation, complete with customer support and tutorials.
You know, it's like they've taken the entire SaaS business model and applied it to cybercrime.
Exactly. And get this, some of these services are even offering money-back guarantees if their AI tools don't successfully execute the fraud. It's literally crime as a service.
That's absolutely mind-boggling. How are law enforcement agencies even beginning to tackle this?
Well, that's where things get complicated. Current legislation wasn't written with AI-powered crimes in mind. When an AI system autonomously commits fraud, who's legally responsible? The developer? The service provider? The end user?
And I imagine the global nature of these crimes makes prosecution even more challenging.
Oh, definitely. These criminal AI services often operate across multiple jurisdictions, using decentralized networks and cryptocurrency payments to stay anonymous.
So what's being done to defend against these threats?
Well, we're seeing the emergence of what you might call defensive AI, systems using behavioral biometrics and anomaly detection to spot artificial interactions. Some companies are implementing AI-powered authentication that analyzes patterns in how users type, move their mouse, or interact with interfaces.
Though I imagine the criminals are already working on ways to bypass those defenses.
You're right. It's becoming an AI arms race. The criminals develop more sophisticated attack methods, the security teams develop better defenses, and the cycle continues.
And what about the future? Where is this all heading?
Based on current trends, we're looking at a future where criminal AI systems might be able to run entire fraud operations autonomously. Imagine AI agents that can identify targets, plan attacks, and execute complex scams without any human intervention.
That's a pretty terrifying prospect.
And yet there's hope. The same AI advances that enable these crimes are also powering better detection and prevention systems. It's really about staying one step ahead.
So what can ordinary people do to protect themselves?
The key is awareness and skepticism. If you get an unexpected video call from your CEO or an urgent message from a family member asking for money, take a moment to verify through other channels. And remember, if something seems too perfect, too polished, it might be AI.
Those are some sobering thoughts to end on.
Indeed, the future of cybersecurity will be defined by this battle between ethical and criminal AI. And while the threats are serious, they're not unstoppable, as long as we stay informed and vigilant.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with your tech-savvy friends. Until next time, stay secure and stay curious.